Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to see some of the job opportunities. So the first job opportunity is from Cisco. Cisco is hiring for software engineer for quality and operations, and the location is Bangalore. First of all, let's see the educational qualification. So the desired degree is bachelor's degree in BA, BS, etc. and the desired major, which means the computer science branch, computer engineering or equivalent stream can apply, and minimum of 3.0 CGPA out of 4.0, and this recruitment is for 2022 batch only. So only 2022 pass out can apply for this hiring, and there are two sub roles in this particular category, like software engineer for product ops and software engineer for technology and quality. And for both of these roles they have given some requirements which you should have, so you can read these requirements, and the link for this page will be given in the description of this video. Now let's move to the next job opportunity, which is from Avalon Meta. So this company is hiring for two roles, backend development and senior React Native developer. For backend development, the CTC is 15 to 35 LPA, and senior React Native developer, the CTC will be between 20 to 45 LPA. So if you want to apply for backend developer role, you can click on this register for test option, and once you click on this option, then all you have to do is you have to book a free slot and attend the test, and once you clear the test with more than 700 marks, you will be eligible to interview for this company. So the link will be given in the description of this video. Do check out and register for the free test today. Now the next job opportunity is from HCL. HCL is conducting a fresher hiring program for 2017 to 2021 batch graduates. So if you are between these two batches, you will be eligible for this hiring program, and the educational qualification is given. So if you have done BE BTech, ME MTech, MSc or MCA, you will be eligible. So students from BE BTech should have 70% and above in their 10th, 12th and undergraduation, and make sure you are from CS, IT or circuital branches only. Circuital branches means electronics, communication, these branches are considered under circuital branches. And for ME MTech, MSc or MCA also, 65% and above is required in their 10th, 12th, undergraduation and post graduation. And here also you should be from CS, IT or circuital branches only, and the job location will be Noida. And one more thing, you will have to sign a 24-month service agreement with the company at the time of your joining. So if you want to apply for this hiring, all you can do is you can fill this form and submit. The link will be given in the description of this video. Now there is one more job opportunity from NPCI. So NPCI is hiring for graduate engineer trainee, and for this role 0 to 2 years of experience candidate can apply. First of all, let's see the mandatory requirements, which is educational qualification. So this hiring is for 2021 and 2022 batch graduates, and the educational qualification is BE and BTech. So if you have done BE BTech, you can apply for this hiring. And the eligibility criteria, so in 10th you should have 75%, in 12th you should have 65%, and in BTech you should have 60%. So these are three criteria for percentage, and experience is 0 to 2 years. And the job locations can be Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai or any other location, and they have mentioned some required skills which you can read here, and the interview process is given. So the first round will be online technical assessment, second will be external panel technical round, third will be technical and HR round. So this is all about NPCI graduate engineer trainee. The link will be given in the description of this video, and if you don't want to miss more such opportunities, please subscribe to the Coding Bytes, and thanks for watching.